With the purchase of your new Meritech system, you will be getting an installation box. In that box will be a welcome letter, the hand washing instructions that you can tape above your machine, and an installation card which will have a QR code which will have everything from manuals to training instructions. It also has your serial number and your PIN to log into your new system, and water lines for the system. In addition to your installation kit, you may want to build an adapter like this. This is a 3-inch PVC trap with a clean out, and I have glued in 2 trap adapters. That comes with the trap adapter is a provided nut. We want to disregard that nut, and we recommend that you purchase an 1.5-inch nut with the rubber washer. The 1.5-inch nut with the rubber washer is going to ensure a leak-free installation. Here we will be installing an EVO 1. The plumbing setup we have here is from a previous installation, however the parameters do line up with what we have in our installation diagram. With this setup we actually have an extension tube because this is not going to be a flush mounted installation because of where our water lines are going to be. With a flush mounted installation, your down tube will be a little bit farther back. Once we have the system put into place, we will then come in with the trap adapter we made earlier. We will come in from underneath and we will come up, locking down the nuts. Now that your system is unboxed, you will want to grab somebody to help you. You will then pick up the system, move it into place, and then hook up your water and drain lines. On the EVO 1, in order to install your plumbing, you're going to want to take off the door. Open up the front cover, push in and pinch the door latches, slide the door to the side, remove the door, and set aside. You will then take a Phillips screwdriver, number 2, and remove the 2 screws from the access panel. This access panel will allow you to access the water lines and the drain. We will then hook up the drain lines, hot water in front, cold water in back. Now that we have the water lines hooked up, it's time to install the P-trap with trap adapters that we made earlier. First, you'll want to install the nut and the rubber washer, and the nut and rubber washer on the tube coming out of the system. We will then take our P-trap and we will slide it up onto the down tubes, ensuring it's fully seated down in the P-trap, and then we will tighten down the nuts to ensure a leak-free installation. Now that we've installed our drain and our plumbing, it's time to reinstall the access panel, hang the door, and plug in the system. To reinstall the door, you will come down low, insert the hinges onto the 2 pins, fold in the hinge tabs ever so slightly, close your door. We can now begin the onboarding process now that the system is turned on. We can hang our hand wash instruction sign, and you can access the system through your 4-digit provided customer code that comes in your installation box.